You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is w greater than 35. Let's solve it step by step. Group all w terms on the left side of the inequality. Subtract w from both sides. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the w. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 5 over -1. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is w greater than 35.